my sister will be unboxing this robot, the Botley. I will be reviewing it and telling you what it does. One of the first things is that it's 5 plus. Yeah. Chi-Chi, come over here. Yes, here she is. She is almost 5 years old. So she'll be unboxing it, by herself. Be good. Okay. And yeah, let's get to it. Hey everybody! Now I will be showing you how the Botley works and all of its features. I have studied it for about 3 hours. So yeah, this is a clip-on tool. It's like an armor for the Botley to attach on here. Here are some arms that you add in to here. These are the cubes. You use them for these. You push these in here, and you can use them as barriers for the Botley if you want to coat it. These are flags you can sometimes attach to these. I do not know why. Tra-la-la. These are coding cards to help you keep track of your code. So if you do a left turn, you put down the left turn card. If you do a forward, you put down a forward card. If you do a motion sense, put down a motion sense card. Yeah. This is the thing. It's like a line that the Botley will follow when it's on line mode. Right now it's off. And if you want to code it, you have to put it in code mode. And one of these, and if you turn it around, it's color play with a bunch of random stuff on it. The line mode does not work on these. I've tried. Yes. Each of these is one forward movement or one backward movement. Yes. On the controller here, there is motion sensing. So it's like an if command. So the if will work. If it sees something, it will do something that you say. Yeah. This is a goal. You try and one of the tasks is to try and get the Botley to put the ball inside here. Yeah. And here are some codes that you can use for the sensing of the Botley, like the motion sensing. So if it sees it, it will do whatever you want it to do. Okay, everybody. So now we will have the Botley go to the end of here and move backwards once it sees the cones. So we put the 2 cones here. So it will see them. We add in a forward key, another forward key, and another forward key. And then you add in this piece here, which is this. And you put that here. Then you add in a backwards key. Here. Okay, now press the top button here. Okay. Okay, peeps. Now we will be activating Botley's line mode. So turn it around here and change it to line mode. And then put it on the black line, then press this button at the top. Wait for it to do its stuff. It might spin around a bit at first, but if it keeps doing that, it will mean that it's not sensing the thing. Yeah. So now it's following the line. It'll keep following the line until it reaches the end, as you can see. It's actually following it pretty nicely. Then when it reaches the end, it will start turning around again until it reaches the line again, which is very annoying. So go forever until it runs out of battery. Okay, guys. Now I will be showing you how to get a bowl into a hoop with the Botley. I added on the arms here and here. So yeah, we will be running this code: clear, forward, forward, turn, forward. That is very, very nice. So, okay, everybody. Now I will be giving you an overall review and some other facts about Botley. First, I think it would be good for around 5 to 7, around, yeah. For that will be for the people who most